In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Google Slides. Whether you're a student looking to polish your project or a professional needing a sleek presentation for your next meeting, knowing how to navigate Google Slides is an invaluable skill. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Google Slides website. If you're not signed in yet, you'll need to log in with your Google account to gain access to all the features for creating and saving your presentation. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here you have options to either dive into a new presentation or choose from various templates that cater to different needs and occasions. For today's guide, we will start fresh, so let's choose the option for a blank presentation. This is perfect for unleashing your creativity and tailoring the presentation to your specific requirements. As soon as your blank canvas opens up, you might notice a couple of default text boxes on the screen. These are designed to make inserting your content straightforward as you begin crafting your slides. One of the great advantages of Google Slides is its flexibility. You can type directly into these default text boxes. Just click on them and start writing. Now, if you're looking to add some flair to your presentation, don't worry. Google Slides comes packed with various design and text tools. You can click to add a title or subtitle and make adjustments by resizing these boxes with the handlebars to ensure everything fits just right. Furthermore, you're free to alter the color, font style, and font size to give your presentation a unique look. Personalizing your slides is key, so go ahead and explore these options until you achieve a style that reflects your personality or the tone of your presentation. If you find that the default text boxes don't quite meet your needs, or if you need additional text elements, inserting a new text box is an easy task. Simply navigate to the top menu, click on Insert, and choose Text Box from the drop-down list. You can drag and place your text box anywhere on the slide, then type in whatever text you require. As always, you have full control over the customization, ensuring that your presentation stays consistent and visually appealing throughout. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can build a powerful and engaging presentation that's perfectly tailored to your needs. Every element, from text size to color, can be customized, allowing your narrative and style to shine through beautifully on every slide. By mastering these basics, you're setting yourself up to deliver an impressive and memorable presentation. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.